tools needed. Make sure you kill the power. Just grab a 30 seconds Allen wrench and take this off. Good time to clean it too. The wires are strapped down by these two zip ties that I'm taking off. 2 bolts here. It's a 5/16 socket. Looks like there's 2 screws right under here. Just gotta take off. I already took one off. And then that pops down. And then it looks like you gotta release the arms. Those arms right there. Now I just take off those 2 screws and those 2 screws, and I think we're gonna be in business. Put it back together. These cords plug in right here, so you gotta pull it out somehow. All right, so the last little part of this is come under here, and there's some screws here, there, and this thing will pop down. You're just gonna unplug the old motor, and plug in the new one. So that's it right there. Just gonna unplug it. Alright, so this is the new motor. Just put that guy on top there. And then take that, put it through the hole back there. Yep, and then pull that through, connect it right there. Put your screws back in, and then we can go back to the roof. Alright, got the screws in. Now I'm gonna see if I can put on these bolts right here. So I got the bolts on there. I think what I'm gonna do is put on the fan and the blades and just test it to make sure it works. Let's flick on the power. It's doing something. Okay, just closed. Turn this on. Alright, got the old motor. Little trouble there. Couldn't make the connections because it was up too high. I'll have to lower this a little bit to make that last connection. And there you have it. One Maxxfan with no squeaks. It's a beautiful thing.